If you want to enhance your TikTok account's security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Open TikTok. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal TikTok profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. This will give you access to various account settings. Step 4. Select Security and Login. Scroll down and find the Security and Login section. Tap on it to view the devices that are currently logged into your TikTok account. Step 5. Remove all devices. In the Security and Login section, you will see a list of devices. Identify the old devices you want to remove and tap on the option to log them out. Confirm your choice to ensure they are removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your TikTok security settings and ensure that only your current devices have access to your account. Regularly checking and updating these settings is a good practice for maintaining your online security.